wasted footer. Thanks a lot again, ad items. Judge, Nancy and Grandma. We survived the hell last night. I don't know how judges, ad items, and aunts and grandmas thinks that a footer like that in a house like that, blocked in like that, is safer than what we're living in. But it's not safer than what we're living in. And thanks straight, we barely made it. Barely made it last night. Got a hell of a problem down here though. Goats. Look at this water. The goats still went down here. Look at the bridge over there. There's all kinds of water out here. That water's over 50 foot deep right there where it's flowing. Jelly bean. Let this gate open for them. They can come out if they like to. Jelly bean. Right there. And the other goat, she's pregnant. But I lost 3 goats during a hurricane once down here. There's a kiwi arbor down there. Almost covered in water. Look how this water up, how it goes. Alright, we'll go back here. Right, it flows around here. All the way down there. Around, you see the kiwi arbor center screen. All the way back. There's that ridge. Something like people. Good thing is we made it. Again. Gotta hurry up and get this court stuff over with so I can get my life back together so I can protect my family. Because I spent tons and tons and tons of money to make everything right. This house right here has already survived tornadoes and hurricanes. It's still standing. I don't like living in a little shack. They kept showing warnings on our phone last night. And this would have all been done. And that footer, look at this. This was Sarah's room. Worked and worked and worked. She was gonna be, it was gonna go all the way from that pipe down there, all the way down here, all the way around. And then have a wall dividing it, where I'd be able to deal with reptiles and everything, and her, but it wasn't good enough for everybody. That has no business getting in my life. So now we're stuck in this little barn that's not safe from a tornado. It just isn't safe. A lot of our chickens drowned last night. We got less today than what we did have. Yeah, we would have been in good shape if I had to finish that. Good shape. We could have continued spreading peace, love, and happiness and creating wonderful things for everyone. There she is. She came up here. And Jelly Bean came up here. Huh. Yep. Jelly Bean. Jelly Bean. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I'm glad you made it. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Matt. Matt. Jelly Bean. Jelly Bean. Hey, buddy. Hey, what you doing? What you doing, Humper? Red light him. Oh, here we Humper Red light him. Ah, Humper. That's funny. That's funny. Yep, definitely Humper Red light him. Yep, this is how red light him are. They just hump your leg and won't get off. That's another story for another day. I will catch you guys later. Stay tuned, people. Come out.